Hello. I haven't uploaded a video in a long time. My author copies came and I just wanted to open them with you. You're getting just a headshot today because I am not dressed for camera. So let's see what these look like. Oh my goodness. I have one of each in the series right now. Oh my goodness. Oh. Here's the first one. I know they're backwards. Nice. My writing has definitely gotten better. And this is the second one. This is the back of that one, the first one. Oof, I love it. I'm excited, but I am like very, very tired today, and I love them. I definitely like what I see, even though it sounds like I don't. Wow. And I want to give a thanks to, I don't know, I never pronounce names right. So if I offend you, but don't take Midnight Publishing for helping me getting my books out there. And I uh, information want to get published by them. They're I gotta explain what they do, but they're helping me, so I can't wait for more people to get their hands on this. And I'll put everything in the description box. See you later.